Back to my channel. So today we are doing a viewer's request. So the subscriber request, actually that person wanted to know how we can analyze the data from our Niftytrader website. So this is actually a very useful website. So this is the website name, and then specifically option chain is the topic we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's take, so what are the setups we can first analyze. Okay, so first is the symbol. So in the symbol you find out all the stocks that are in futures, listed as futures. So you should know some 1000 plus stocks are already present in our stock market. Okay, but only some 200 to 250, I'm exactly not sure about the number. So only these stocks are listed in FNO, that is futures and options. So these stocks specifically have the monthly expiry pattern, exactly like Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty or Mid Cap Nifty. Okay, so these 1000 stocks are divided into large cap, small cap, and mid cap, and etc. So that one you can actually find out in the NSE website. So when you go to equity here, for example, so when you type here, so you see the categories here: financial service, bank, mid cap, select, 100, 150, and the list goes on. Okay, but we are not going to concentrate on that, because today I am just going to show you how to analyze this one. So you have index plus all the stocks A to Z which has been listed in the futures, right? So here you can select the symbol. Okay, so I am going to select Nifty because that is the popular index in India. Okay, then let's see the expiry date. So this expiry date, it shows the weekly expiry, next week expiry, monthly expiry, and all the expiries listed for Nifty. As you could see, these are the expiry. So up till 30 December you have the data here. Okay, next is spot price. Spot price is where exactly Nifty 50 is standing now, and that day's position. So this is basically the today structure. Okay, so whenever market opens at 9:15 until 3:30, you can see the data updating here. Okay, so that is always what is the current day. So this, actually I'm recording in Sunday, but this is the data of last Friday. Okay, that is what we are saying, what happened at 3:30. Okay, so this is the spot. Okay, we have covered the top three, and here is, you can check the chart. You can also see the demo how to use this. This is the download. You can either download, but that is a premium function. You have to buy the programs they offer. You can adjust the filter, setting, and refresh. So these are the basic data. You can go on and check, because this is not that much important. This is just for information I am explaining. Okay, now we will see PCR. So you know, this is put call ratio, and this keeps changing, and that is also shown. Change in OI and PCR. Okay, so this is for that day with respect to change in OI. PCR is listed, and then lot size 75. So each stocks have different lot size, and for each index also lot size differs. For example, here Nifty is 75. When you check BNF, Bank Nifty, it is 30. Okay, so lot size changes. Then India VIX, and then max pain. So max pain is where the sellers are expecting that markets can give close on expiry date. Okay, not the current data. Okay, it is always based on the expiry. Okay, and now this is the expected range. Expected range always show you the support and resistance. So 24,200 becomes here the support, and 25k becomes the resistance. Okay, so this becomes a strong support and strong resistance. This we can take as weekly as well as daily. Okay, so both the data it reflects. Now let's see the filter. Okay, so these are the filter option which you can add and which you can change. So open interest you can change, option LTP, based on option price close, based on range, and also you can keep your input and also the build up, everything it shows up. Okay, but for now I have kept the settings like this is the ATM, right? So ATM plus minus 10. Okay, so it will show you 10 strikes up and 10 strikes down. Okay, so what and all it will show the strike price. Definitely here it shows the ITM as well as OTM. Okay, now this is the LTP, that is the price, and this is the change in OI. So this is always with respect to today. Okay, this is delta value, and the build up, it shows you this side is put, right? So this shows you PE buying or PE selling, plus all the short cover is profit booking. So it will show you the profit booking, PE, buy or sell. So this side it is call, so same pattern, this shows you call writing or sellers as well as buying. Okay, so as same pattern here also, it will show you LTP, it will show you change in OI, this build up with respect to today. Okay, and then this is the overall OI, here also overall OI, and then you have build up and then you have delta. Okay, so now our interest, what is our interest is only two things. Okay, so let me close this. Since I'm not premium, the pop-ups always come up, so let's not concentrate on that. Okay, so here is call, here is put. We are going to see change in OI and we are going to see OI. Okay, so OI and change in OI. So this basically gives us the expiry, support and resistance. Okay, so where is that? The overall OI. So this actually shows the support and resistance, while this change in OI shows us the day, whatever day you pick up, that day's OI. For example, we are checking the Friday's data, so this is Friday's data, but when the OI overall shows that this week's expiry data. Okay, so that is expiry is on 7th August. So 7th August data is this pattern. Okay, now let's see where the buildup has happened, where the profit booking. So you could see clearly this was profit booking for that day, but where the buildup has happened, so 1, 49, 10, 12, 13. So they have done the put buying. There could be put writing as well, but here it shows whichever has been added maximum. So put buying has been added here, which is the ITM. Okay, and then here you check all the extras has been added in the ITM of the call side. Okay, so I am wrong, sorry, this is OTM, sorry, this is OTM they have added, and this is OTM for the call side, and this is the ITM. Okay, so you could clearly see more they are adding in the OTM means they want to keep market in certain range. Okay, so whichever is the highest, so 25k, you could see almost 1 lakh, that is the highest. So this is the resistance zone, and where was the support? Here, this is what is reflected here. Okay, so this is how we analyze the data. Now once again I'll show you wherever the highest has happened. So 200, so this becomes the strong support, and then you see 1 lakh at 800 and 1 lakh 1.4 1.3 in 25. So from here we can clearly understand that the resistance is very strong in the market, and then for that day you see 50k has been added in the 750, and for that day here not much of the support. So let's check out. So 49 at the 200 has been added, so that is that day's support, but here, sorry, 82 and 49, 200 and 300 becomes the expiry's support, and the same has been added for that day. This is the Friday range. Okay, so we could clearly see that the stop loss will be available from this zone. Until market is between this zone, it will be sideways, but once if it crosses 200 or 25k, all the SL will be available, because that is where the sellers are sitting. So that's it guys, thank you.